Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking barbershop Instagram post. If you own a barbershop or want to create your own Instagram post in Canva, then this video is for you. Creating an Instagram post for your barbershop is really easy in Canva. The best part of Canva is that you can customize and modify existing templates to create your own design. Just create your account in Canva, go to the search bar, and type Barbershop Instagram Post. Canva will suggest the best templates for you to explore. Go to the All option, and you can see the available templates. There are hundreds of templates that you can modify and make your own. You can explore them and choose whichever one you like, then customize or modify it. For now, maybe I will go with this one as it looks good. Or perhaps I will choose this one. This one is free as well. Just click on it and explore the options to find the one that meets your expectations. Choose the template you like and customize it. Now you can see that I have full access and can do whatever I want with it. If I want to change the text, I just double-click on it and edit it like this. I can play with the text and customize it. And if you want to try more features for customizing your text, click on it. Then click on Your Text. This option is for changing the font. This one is for changing the text color, and you can try the other features as well. Those are the available customization features for your text. Now, if you want to change the background, just click on it. Go to the color option, and then, like this, you can change it to any color you want. And now, coming to image replacement or image adjustment, you can replace this image with your own. To do that, go to Upload Images from your computer. After that, your image will appear. For now, I'll choose an image from Pinterest. Maybe I will go with this one. I'll just click on it, copy it, and paste it over here. And you can see my image pasted here. Now what I will do is simply drag and drop it. And now you can see that the background is removed automatically because I have the Pro version. If you are using the free version, you can remove the background on another website and upload a transparent image, or use this type of image replacement. Now what I will do is adjust it to a suitable position. What I can do is click on it and go to Edit. Then I will go to Shadows and add an outline. I will also change the outline color, make it white, and set the size to about this much. I'll add this size, and after that, what I will do is go to Edit and Adjustments. Then adjust the saturation like this. I'll just adjust and edit, customize, or modify whatever I like. After that, you can see that I have played with the text and added my own image, replacing the template image. In a similar way, you can try everything you like, modify whatever you want, and add your own details, information, branding colors, text, and anything else you need. Once you are done customizing or modifying, rename your file, go to Share, select Download, and download it in any format you like. Just download it, and your barbershop post is ready to upload to Instagram. Thank you for watching.